This is one of the very unique Thai dish, my simmering, aromatic and very flavorful. Kanom Jeen Nam Ya or Thai coconut fish curry with rice noodle is one of the menu I have learned since I was a kid to feature at my mother's restaurant. I had a memoir that while my dad went to the market shopping, I literally stole cooked this menu. You can tell this menu contains a lot of memories worth mentioning.
Hey guys, hi guys. Today I will show you how to do Kanom Jeen Nam Ya Pla Tu. You may wonder why I'm so obsessed to the macro fridge because I have no choice. My sister just bought me the whole pack of the steam macro, and this one is the product of Thailand, and you can see here. หน้างอคอหัก is mean crooked neck. It's very popular among Thai people and it's already steamed. Today menu is kind of easy and you can set up for like a party. Nam plik, the chili paste I use today is this brand and it's the product of Thailand, of course. Alright, let's get started. Now we're gonna start with soaking this chili first overnight. Cut this chili small piece. And I add some water and soaks overnight.
The next day.
Ta-da! Here I have soaked chili pods. So I'm gonna start pouting, but first I'm gonna boil the steam mackerel fridge. Water. On high heat. Now I have galangal root, green onion root, and lemongrass. This goes in. The fingered ginger root. A pinch of salt. I could have added chili pot in there too. And another pinch of salt. And now the fish goes in. That's it. It's about 25 to 35 minutes. It's almost done here. So I have a tray ready to scoop up all the things. I mean, if you have a strainer, you can use that instead. Ooh, I have here the fridge. It's still intact. Ooh, that's good. And it's hot. All the goodies, all the herbs. I use a slotted spoon to scoop up. Alright, I'm gonna let it set for about 15 minutes and cool down a little bit. I'm gonna save the broth, and here I have the rest. I'm gonna work with the mortar. If you want to master marble mortar, you can go up and the links up here that I demonstrate like master using the pestle. And now I already have the curry and I read the ingredient. If you can find the red curry paste itself at the market, you can use it instead. But it's kind of more like instant Nam Ya already, so ready to eat. You just mix in a pot and the saucepan and also add some water or some coconut milk. You already have the coconut milk in that one already. And the color, that's why the color is not too red. Galangal goes in. Okay. Now the finger root ginger. If you have the food processor at home, you can use it as well. But I like the textures to be like rustic. The chili pot I used today is about 3 to 5 pots. And I have the shallot in there. Alright, I'm gonna wash น้ำล้างครก that I use the fish here. Okay, I'm gonna start with the bones. This mackerel fish has a lot of bones, so you have to be cautious. You can use any kind of fish as well. You can find at the market. Oh, there's some bones in there. The ideal fish for this kind of menu is it's called pachan or the snakehead fish. Now I have more textures from the fish. Oh, some bones in there. I'm done with the motor. Medium high heat. Coconut milk goes in. Then the curry paste that we mix with the fish. Splash. Lower the heat down. So let it simmer. Very thick and very aromatic. And now I drop palm sugar, a pinch of salt in there, fish sauce. The sweetness is good, perfect. Gonna taste one more time. Wow, so good. I have the fish ball. Wow. So I leave the recipe down in the description box. I drop chili in there. That is fruit. It's called Noodle, followed by green onion, scallion, and the by makrut, kefir lime leaves, and off the heat. Voila! Now I have the น้ำยาขนมจีนค่ะ Perfect. Ooh, look at that. Wow! Yum. And now we're gonna eat. Okay? And ooh, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, wow. Nice. So good. Wow. Wow. Perfect. So good. Look at that. Wow. The vegetable. Fin มากค่ะ Alright, thank you so much for watching, and if you want me to cook any menu that's spicy, sassy, naughty, hearty menu, just leave me a comment down below. Continue watching me cooking authentic Thai food the way that how the Thai people cook, and I will show you every techniques. And if you're new here to my channel, just don't forget to subscribe. Yes, it's free. Alright, thank you so much. Bye.